I buy a banana, 2 on. How much they on 2 on again?
24. That's all?
It all depends on how you have to count the fingers.
No, and a banana really carry a dozen and 2, dozen and 3. All more too.
What kind of banana this?
Rose Mitchell.
So they may look green, but them when them gonna arrive?
Today Saturday, you know when me cut a banana Wednesday. When me cut it just start turn and today is Saturday. Because Monday me did go carry it, go market. So by Monday this banana ripe up.
So this a 2 on?
Yeah, 2.5.
Yeah, 2.5 on. Alright. How about that?
I want cricket.
Cricket?
I don't call him grasshopper. See him a jump there.
Biggie? Don't kill him. Don't kill him. See him, yeah? Wait.
In there. Inside the stone.
Cricket.
Oh.
Never see them big, so.
Yeah, and you're bigger too.
So, what the eye name?
A trainer, them call me.
Trainer?
Yeah.
So he's a farmer. How long you farm now?
Real long time. Before 94, but from 94 me I do real farming.
Looking at the camera when you talk to him.
Oh man, just give him the thing. So what kind of things you farm?
Farm all type of something. When you touch food in the farming.
Oh, earlier me here talk about the coffee. How what going with the
coffee
coffee?
is the main source where every farmer around here depend upon.
How what going with the coffee?
We don't know, but we get $12,000 in a Simpson Miller government, and from this government coming, the coffee drop from 12.
So how much the coffee now?
It go 8, from 8 to 6, from 6 to 4.
1,000?
Yeah, and we are get 2.5 now. This crop them drop
$2,500 for a box of coffee?
Right now.
Blue Mountain coffee?
Blue Mountain coffee, this crop.
Yeah.
Last year them pay 4. Right down it going.
So, how that affect you now?
One whole heap, I don't know me alone, because a lot of farmers they chew up already. This make it all worse.
So you don't make no money there?
No money.
So it's worth reaping the crop?
Well, I mean, you can't make a light drop off and the man will imply. So if you can pick for your liquor, you're good. The man will imply have problem.
Oh, you want to pick, well,
like
have somebody.
Might have coffee up there and him can't go up there.
Yeah, he can't pay to pick it because that's 2.5.
Yeah.
So it come from 12,000 to 2.5?
To 2.5 right now.
So who are the person who set the price for coffee?
I don't know, Mr. Leaching, them I blame feature now, but you have Coffee Board and Wallingford, they are the regulator for coffee.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you know about coffee price on the international market, or it's there?
We don't know about it on the...
On that side
Yeah,
there?
on that side there.
Okay. So what you don't want to do about it still?
We don't want to do about it.
Tell you the whole truth, I don't know if
Daddy,
it's
Daddy,
right
yeah,
now,
distract
because
them, man. Yes, some more
the
thing,
government change back.
Hold on, no, look here, sir, look here, sir.
Yeah, what I'm trying to say I know. Me not think it will go better right now till if the government change.
So you sure of the government?
Yeah.
What make you sure?
Well, I'm not going to blame it on Miss
Wellness?
Wellness personally, but I need this government. Coffee never go nowhere.
Oh.
No mind wait there. Them no carry it go nowhere, then carry it down. Down.
Well, construction lady.
So what other goods they deal with? Products. So the other things they produce, them price they drop to, or coffee alone?
No, well, the coffee, you see, is an export thing. It's different from really other farming, you know, the coffee period. What other thing?
But we notice the road them in the area too. They make it more difficult.
From 1983, this road redo from the D8 bill, and not more done to it.
Which constituency this?
James Shaberson constituency. Western.
So far in constituency big though.
Yeah.
From yellows come all the way.
Yeah. And I talk about on this side. You know, say from you touch out a miles there.
Which part are we there? Which part, for who don't know, where are we?
We are Jones Pen right now.
Jones Pen is in which district? No, St. Thomas, we're in St. Thomas.
Trinityville.
Okay.
Jones Pen, Trinityville.
Okay.
When
Alright.
I say Jones Pen, Trinityville, you're good.
Alright, so how much you give me the Anna banana there for now?
Oh, well, everything like these are gone, your missus saying go on coconut. You don't know, me just take
So which one
out
banana you give me? That or that?
No, these kind of
Okay.
these are ripe.
Yeah.
Okay, so how much everything?
It's a lot of money, but here, only just give me a nanny, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, just me just take that.
9 hours, 5 bills?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
That sounds fair.
We can't really put on up on nothing more. Because I belong to Mr. Moody.
Yeah.
That's true.
Alright.
Me is trainer. And me is a coffee farmer. And concerned about the price where it's too low. That may I say.
Well, then,